Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equal to x plus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u we have 1. First derivative of x we have number 1. This is about the constant. So if we do first derivative, you got about 0. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du. This one we can write into negative number 6 u to the power of negative number 7 du. And now we have the final answer. This one we have negative number 6. Negative number 6. Negative number 6 divided by negative number 6, we have number 1. And this one I can write into 1 over u to the power of 6. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.